Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning an existing database or page into a gallery so your content becomes visual. First, open the page and choose Add a View, select Gallery, name the view, and create it. Once done, set the card size and pick which properties display on the cover and preview. This makes browsing faster. Make sure to choose a sensible default filter or sort so your most important items surface immediately, and you'll have a usable visual layout right away. Now customize how each card looks and behaves so your gallery is both pretty and useful. Choose a cover source, use a specific image property, or let Notion pick from page content, because visuals guide attention. Then add, hide, or reorder properties to show status, dates, or tags on the card. Next, apply filters and sorting to narrow focus. For example, show only active projects sorted by priority. Finally, tweak card size, finish by learning how to manage items and solve common issues so the gallery remains reliable. You can edit properties inline, drag cards to reorder where supported, and open a card for full content and linked relations. If covers or images vanish, check that the image property is set correctly, re-upload the media, or switch the card preview to a different property. Media permissions can also block display. Make a duplicate view before big edits, so you can revert quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.